the 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. With GM Certified, you get a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, as well as a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.